Hi, I'm Jennifer Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, creamy eggnog cheesecake. Now you can see the nice crumb that we've got with our melted butter and sugar mixed into the graham cracker crumbs. So we're going to pour this into our pie pan, or our springform pan, and getting all of that up from the bottom. And we will just want to get that in there. And then we're going to start spreading it out on the bottom and tamping it down a little bit. Now we're just tamping down the crust. We want to get a nice even crust. You want to go up just a little bit in the sides, but you really want to tamp it down so you have a flat surface and you don't have any loose crumbs that are going to be, kind of moving around when you put your cheesecake in here. This is where this little tool comes in great handiness. Of course, you can use your fingers, which is traditionally how you would do such a thing. But this just has a nice flat surface. If you want something else with a flat surface, you could also use a small glass, not a plastic glass, because you want it to have a nice smooth flat surface. Or pretty much anything else that's going to give you the same effect. So it looks like we are almost done with the bottom, and it's time for the next step.